I'm moving on. Got the open road ahead of me, chasing highway lines to get to my dreams. Moving on, moving on. I don't know where I'm going, but I ain't there yet. Let this heart of mine be the GPS. Moving on.
Okay, this is another area that you should check, and we just got this hooked up right now. We're just stretching our line out there to get that pipe to be not crinkled up. This is the Wholehouse filter that comes with the Tiffin, and it's our first line on catching junk coming into the RV. So I'm gonna take it off and change it out while I'm doing all this other stuff with the water pump. Alright, let's see if we can get this off first time. I think I've tried. Okay. Alright. Alright. This is the water filter that's supposed to be white, and this is the water that is cleaning. So yeah, it was about time to change it. So we will we'll see if we can't pick up a filter while we're out here at the other places. Alright, so I got this off. We got another clean filter, and we're gonna put it up here and close it up. Dana's gonna hold it for me.
Oh, it doesn't just slide down in the... It don't just slide down in that thing?
It's gonna have to be up there. It's got a thing to be up there on it.
Well, it fit. As long as that
just get it hand tight, they say.
Hey, as long as that rubber thing stayed on top where it was supposed to.
It's supposed to.
All right, did you turn it on now?
Huh? No, we got the.
Oh.
Listen, thanks for watching.
Well, I always watch.
Dana.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for following us and watching our videos. We hope if you like us and like them, you'll give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and watch our videos to the end. It helps with the Google, YouTube algorithms, the Google algorithms. That helps us.
And also the watch hours.
And the watch hours. So help us get to where YouTube is not using our channel to make money, but maybe giving us a little bit of money.
Each penny or two.
Yeah, every penny or two helps. And we do appreciate you following along with these two old folks. One of them being a grouch, the other one just happy-go-lucky. But hey, you figure out which one's which.